Man, what's up with the what's up? It's your boy Tyrone Hunter back in the building with another edition of What's Really Good Entertainment. If you've been rocking with the channel, I appreciate you. Stay tuned. I'm going to continue to bring you that fire. If you're checking in for the first time, hit the like button on the way in the door. Hit the subscribe button on the way out the door so you could join the squad. You see the title, you know my motto, I'm not going to hold you. Y'all see who we got on that big screen. It's none other than Judge Glandville. Smiling faces tell lies, but yes, it's official. He has been removed from the case as of today, less than an hour ago. All reports say the motion came down. He has been removed from the case. This is the update that y'all been waiting for. Young Thugger, YSL, beating him in court. If you want to hear more about this, man, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, because we're going to get right into it. So, and y'all can see it right there. Fulton County Judge Jarrell Glandville recused from YSL Young Thug trial. And the article goes on to say, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Jarrell Glandville has been removed from the Young Thug / YSL case in Fulton County. Fulton County Judge Rachel Cross issued her ruling on a motion submitted by attorney for Jeffrey Williams and DeMonte Kendrick and attorney Kayla Bumpus on July 15th. In her ruling, Cross stated that while the court had no doubt that Judge Glandville can and would continue presiding fairly over this matter if the recusal motion were denied, the necessity of preserving the public confidence in the judicial system weighs in favor of excusing Judge Glandville from further handling the case. So pretty much what that says so far is Judge Cross issued a ruling that she did think that he would be able to preside fairly if he was to stay on the case. But in order to preserve the public confidence, you know, to make the public confident in the outcome, whatever it's going to be, then that weighs more in favor of removing him from the case. She goes on to say, Cross granted both Kendrick and Williams' motion to recuse Judge Glandville. However, she did not bump his motion to quash the show cause order and recuse Glandville because it was moot. Moot means they already granted relief on the motion, so pretty much didn't need to grant it for the other attorney as well, because it is what it is. Defense attorney, particularly Young Thug lawyer Brian Steele, has been filing motions for months for a mistrial, claiming that Judge Glandville was biased against them and their clients. However, it was an ex parte meeting on June 10th between Judge Glandville, prosecutors from the Fulton County District Attorney Office, and state witness Kenneth Copeland that led to multiple requests for recusal. And this is what I told you. I told you that it was something about that meeting that wasn't right. If you want to hear my comments and see what I said about that, you could go back and check my other videos in regards to Judge Glandville. But I told you that meeting that they had in chambers, that he was dead wrong and that it was some foul play going on. And because of that meeting, that's what led to eventually him getting kicked off the case. So it says the initial recusal request went to Glandville, who denied them. Kendrick then tried to bypass Glandville by appealing to the Georgia Supreme Court. They declined to consider it but ordered another judge to review the motion. Judge Cross was assigned to the case. Still also attempted to have Judge Cross accused based on the fact that Judge Glandville donated to her re-election campaign a few months ago, and because they are both judges in Fulton County, but she denied the motion. Look at this. Judge Glandville had this same judge that ruled on this motion right now, Judge Cross, Judge Glandville had just donated money to her re-election a couple of months ago. So Brian Steele was thinking that pretty much she was going to deny the recusal motion because of that. But she stood tall through it all and she did the right thing and got him off the case, right? Then it says, what are the charges Young Thug faces? A Fulton County grand jury indicted Young Thug Jeffrey Williams in May 22, and more charges were added in a subsequent indictment in August of that year. The second indictment accused Young Thug and 27 other people of conspiring to violate Georgia Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organization Act known as RICO. The rapper is also accused of participating in criminal street gang activity as well as drug and gun possession. So pretty much that's the charges that he's facing. But now because this was thrown out, Judge Glandville was thrown off the case, which means that automatically stops the trial. It has to go in front of another judge. But, due to all of this time that been wasted, as well as all of the taxpayers' money that been wasted so far on this trial with Judge Glandville in there acting stickily and steezy and greasy, trying to take down the thugger in the YSL squad. Come on, my man. And this is the reason why this trial is so important, and the reason why y'all need to share this video is because a lot of people have loved ones, a lot of people have relatives, a lot of people have people that they know who are stuck in the criminal justice system, who are going to trial, who are going to court right now, facing charges, who have been convicted of crimes by judges that were similar to Glandville. The only difference between Young Thug and other people, is the fact that he got money to pay for lawyers, and his lawyers is going to advocate for him. But stuff like this goes on in the criminal justice system every day. So I'm glad that it was exposed. I'm glad that Judge Glandville was removed from the case. And, Young Thug as well as YSL can get a fair trial. Just the whole fact that they charging Young Thug with RICO conspiracy charges and say that he was, involved in RICO conspiracy and gang and all of it. It's like, how did he have time to do that when he was a full-time recording artist, one of the best, recording artists out there? So that's the latest and the greatest. That's the update, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share the video so this information can get out there, so other people get in on the discussion, as well as other people can become aware of the fact that if they see something that's not going right in a trial, or they feel that their relatives and their family members are not being treated fairly at trial, that you do have a recourse. It's motion that you could file, and that motion is called a motion to recuse, which will remove a judge from the trial or presiding over the trial so that you can get a fair trial. So tell me what y'all think of this situation. Do you think the judge was right in removing Glandville from the case, or do you think she was wrong? Do you think that Young Thug finally got justice? And when do you think Young Thug is going to be released? Because I'm going to tell y'all right now, given the fact that this judge got removed from the case, all of those jurors pretty much that heard all of this evidence that was going on so far, they literally going to have to start a whole new trial, new investigation all over. The district attorney is going to have to rework their case because their case was weak so far. So the only thing that they going to do under the circumstances is they going to offer Young Thug a plea where he going to be getting out soon, or they just going to drop these charges and he going to go free. Man, YSL the squad, that's what it is. Judge Glandville, you out of there like last year. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. Stay tuned, and I'm going to bring y'all more as we continue to keep you updated on YSL Rico charges. We don't know what's going to happen with Lil Woody, a.k.a. Kenneth Copeland, but this is the latest and the greatest. I'm out of here like last year. Yiddy.